The Proscenic Q8 Max robot vacuum offers an all-in-one cleaning solution, integrating vacuuming, mopping, and automatic dustbin emptying for up to 60 days of hands-free operation. This robot vacuum is particularly suitable for large homes and pet owners thanks to its powerful suction of 4,200 Pascal and its ability to handle pet hair with ease. Equipped with smart 360-degree LiDAR navigation, it efficiently maps your home in 15 minutes, ensuring precise cleaning and effective obstacle avoidance. The advanced sensors enable the Proscenic Q8 Max to detect and avoid obstacles such as walls and stairs, while its compact design allows it to clean under furniture. Users can easily control the vacuum using the Proscenic App or voice commands with Alexa, Google Home, Siri, or IFTTT, offering customizable cleaning schedules and no-go zones. With a substantial battery life, this robot vacuum can clean for up to 200 minutes, automatically recharging and resuming cleaning as needed.